Sure, let's explore different jewelry styles: bold, simple, classic, and vintage inspired, and what makes each one unique and appealing. 1. Bold jewelry. Style. Statement making and expressive. Description. Bold jewelry pieces are designed to stand out and draw attention. They often feature large gemstones, chunky chains, layered textures, or unique geometric shapes. These pieces are perfect for people who love to express confidence and creativity through their accessories. Examples: oversized hoop earrings, multi-layered statement necklaces, thick gold or silver cuffs, sculptural rings with colorful stones. Best for parties, red carpet looks, and moments when you want to make an impression. Two. Simple jewelry. Style. Minimalist and timeless. Description. Simple jewelry focuses on clean lines, delicate designs, and understated elegance. It enhances your look without overpowering it. These pieces are easy to wear daily and pair beautifully with any outfit. Examples: thin gold or silver chains, stud earrings, slim bangles, solitaire rings. Best for everyday wear, office looks, or when you want effortless sophistication. 3. Classic jewelry. Style. Elegant and forever in fashion. Description. Classic jewelry never goes out of style. These are the investment pieces that look just as beautiful today as they did decades ago. They often feature precious metals and gemstones in refined, balanced designs. Examples: pearl necklaces or earrings, diamond studs, tennis bracelets, gold link chains. Best for formal occasions, weddings, or adding timeless grace to your wardrobe. Vintage-inspired jewelry. Style. Nostalgic and full of charm. Description. Vintage-inspired jewelry draws inspiration from past eras, from the Victorian and Art Deco periods to the 70s and 80s. These pieces often feature intricate details, filigree work, antique finishes, and romantic designs. Examples: cameo pendants, Art Deco drop earrings, ornate brooches, filigree rings with colored gemstones. Best for those who love old-world glamour and unique, one-of-a-kind accessories.
Viennois was founded in 1996 in China. It is part of the larger Magic Group, which is a jewelry wholesale company in China. Viennois has its own factory and strong design team. Over the years, Viennois claims to have earned fashion jewelry design awards, e.g., in Asia, and recognition such as being among the top Chinese brands in the fashion jewelry industry in 2006. Product style and materials. V&Noir focuses on fashion jewelry rather than fine jewelry. Their materials often include base metals, e.g., zinc alloy or other alloys, which are plated with gold, platinum color, etc. The style is trendled. They emphasize catching the fashion trend, leading the Vogue direction, as part of their design philosophy. The product range includes sets, necklaces plus earrings, sometimes bracelets, rings, in coordinated sets. For example, on the Nigerian market you'll find V&Noir sets marketed as necklace and earrings set. The finishes include metal plating in silver color, gold color, rose gold, etc. For example, silver and blue colors, rose gold, etc.